Alright, we're gonna go for a run. I'm gonna see if I can put some weights in this book bag and move it to weights. For now, we just have 110-pound weight, so we'll see how that is. Let me see what 110-pound weight feels like first. Why are you standing over there, bro?
And you're gonna run with that.
Yeah. I don't know.
Make sure it doesn't fall on anybody's.
I don't. Come here, hold this. I don't know. I'm barely making 4 laps right now. Are you scared of me? Why are you so far away? Oh, I don't think I need that other 10-pound weight. Where did I put this? Bro, talk to them, bro. You don't need to keep pointing at me.
You're doing enough talking for the both of us, so.
I'm not, bro. You don't need to keep just looking at me, bro.
Who's looking at you?
Like, imagine they're humans, right?
Okay.
And they're just standing there staring at me. Like, that's weird. That's
Then you
awkward.
can talk. You should be talking to the camera.
That's awkward, bro.
How does it feel?
I don't know. I'm trying to get this joint. Why won't it go up more?
I saw this kid in the park running with some
I
weights
saw
on.
them too.
You barely even making 3 rounds by yourself running.
I'm making 4 rounds.
Now you want to run with some weights on.
I'm making 4 rounds.
I don't think that's gonna feel comfortable.
Doesn't matter.
Alrighty.
I want to get this joint higher up, like. Yo, Mama, are you not talking to them? If you're not gonna talk to them,
I don't know what to keep talking
bro,
about.
just talk to them, bro. Stop pointing it at me and point it at you. Damn.
Okay, I have nothing to say. Alright, let's get back to Johnny Boy. Come on,
Did
chop
you turn
chop.
the camera back on me?
Yes, come on, I'm the cameraman
Bro.
right now. Come on, get ready. Let's go. Don't have all night. What did you put in there after that?
Huh?
What'd you put in there?
I just put it in a different place because it was just like swinging a lot.
Okay.
I'm trying to see. I ain't doing this shit. This is uncomfortable.
I thought so. I knew it was gonna happen.
Alright, you need anything?
You going?
No,
Where to?
vlogging, yeah, I've been vlogging. What you mean?
വലിയ തള്ളില് ബാഗില്
No, I need a different bag. That bag is really uncomfortable. The weight, huh?
ഓ അത് ഞാനിവിടെ വെച്ചത് റെഡിയാക്കി
The weight is like digging into my back when I'm like trying to like move around. The weight is like digging into my back when I'm trying to move it around. Let's check out the V's, y'all. Apparently he just cleaned the CRV. Let's see how it looks. Oh shit. Oh shit, already got some bird shit on it. You cleaned the car? You cleaned this? I thought you were cleaning the cars. I thought you were cleaning the cars. Ah. How'd this happen?
Yesterday some
ഇല്ലടാ ദാ ഇവിടെ ഒരച്ചിരിക്കുന്നടാ
Yeah.
This one,
ഇതുണ്ടായിരുന്ന ഇത് ബേക്കിംഗ് സോഡയിൽ പോകും
this one to that.
അത് ബേക്കിംഗ് സോഡയിൽ
ഇത് ഇന്നലത്തെ എവിടെ പാർക്ക് ഇത് കണ്ടറിയാം someone's door came and
Damn.
someone's door came and bang. ചെറുതായിട്ട് ചിപ്പായി.
That's a paint chip? Oh, it is a paint chip.
ദൂരെ എവിടെയെങ്കിലും കൊണ്ട് പാർക്ക് ചെയ്യണം.
The camera's the key. I'm gonna need her to come in so she can hold y'all so I could take this stupid shit off.
Just check how good if that thing went away this.
Oh, I flipped the other way around. Alright, see, we got shit like this. We gotta turn it like this. Put that joint like this. I Out of sight, out of mind. Get in the car, bro. Let's go. Bro, that gum is ass. Show them what gum it is.
Airhead. I like it. It's yummy.
Nah, that shit is good. That's what we got in the last vlog. The minty joints.
That was yummy.
You can hold it in between your legs.
Flash away, Monica.
Yeah, it's dark in here.
I'm not gonna flash this on your face when you're driving.
Why not?
Looks hideous.
It's fine. It requires extra focus. Show them the driveway. Show them how narrow it is.
This
It
is
requires
narrow.
extra focus to pull this goddamn car out of here. Since we're going to Cunningham, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna type in. We're gonna type in Cunningham. Which one should I pick? Because the first one I picked last time didn't go already.
Union Turnpike.
Union Term. Alright, so it's gonna show us this joint, right? And then look, hold on, watch this. Feel me? Feel me? Look, show him what it's doing. Show him what it's doing. Yo, I got scared. That's why I canceled. Did you see that? Did you see that? That shit, Dad was about to go around the car, cut between both of them. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. I don't trust autopilot.
Me neither.
I don't trust autopilot.
I would never trust it. I think Tesla has to do a lot of work.
I think we should do a launch. Hello, chill. I think we should do a launch control for them.
The who?
I think we should do a launch control for them real quick. Launch control for one time. What do you think?
What do you want to do?
Look at that 350. Alright, we should do a launch control. Alright, let me show them the screen. Let's show them how we put them in the mode. Dynamics, standard, heavy. Now you gotta point on yourself. We gotta get your reaction.
You can't really launch anything
Yeah.
on these roads.
Oh, we'll find a road. Y'all ready? We're about to do a launch control. Well, not launch control. From 20 miles an hour. 3.
The road is
Count it down.
bad.
Okay, yeah. Count it down. From 3.
3, 2, 1.
How was that?
Yeah, I might have to see a Cairo.
Yo, tell him what happened to Bunno when we were test driving this joint.
I think he might have injured his back. Yeah, he was in pain, severe back pain.
Tell them exactly what happened, what we were doing.
Because you went 0 to 60 in like 4 seconds?
4.7 seconds.
Okay, so that messed up his back. So this thing launches like a plane. It's a Concorde. Okay.
Yo, that was so ass. What are you yapping about?
They should park far away from the other cars. People have no respect for other people's.
So you talking to them and showing them me?
So there's bottles all over the place. There's bottles all over the place, Jonathan.
Hold up, you want to show them the self-parking?
Yeah, let's show them.
Look. So on the thing, look, let me show them over here. If you look here, y'all, there's like 3-4 spots.
Can you see if there's a bottle there?
There's a bottle. Let me take it out. So we're gonna park right here, right? Right there. Alright, so we put this joint back in drive. Pick here. And then auto park. Foot's not on nothing. Y'all see my feet. Here's the steering wheel. You know what I'm saying? Oh, what'd you think? Oh, look, the exact same car is right in front of us.
Awesome.
That's crazy. Auto park has been completed.
Perfectly.
What you think?
Amazing.
Alright, so what we about to do?
So we're going for a walk. We're at Cunningham Park. We are going for a walk. Jonathan goes for his, he runs around. He does about 4 miles. And I just walk around the park, try to get my 10,000 steps daily. That's my goal, to be healthy this year. Okay?
Okay. We all have one. Let's go. We all have one. Yeah. I just saw the biggest fucking dog I've ever seen in my fucking life. If I pass him again, I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all gonna be like, what the fuck? I don't know, I'm kinda scared.
You could pet him.
Come on, bro. Don't ignore me, bro. Don't ignore me, bro.
If he ignores, it's perfect. You can pet him. If he ignores, yeah.
I can pet him?
Yeah. If he's into you, he might try to mount you.
Oh, damn. Oh my God, he's heavy.
Yeah, well, he's at 170 pounds.
Holy shit. He's 170 pounds?
Yeah.
Yo, this is a wolf.
Once he was 150.
Dead eyes?
Yeah, they fight bears and wolves, this breed. That's what they're bred for.
I can pet him?
10-4, yeah. He's relaxed with you.
What's his name?
This is Teddy. He's a 170 pound Caucasian Shepherd. He's 3 years old. He's 5'10", standing up. And the breed, by the books, go to 170, but in real life, people in Russia had these guys at 220, 230. And they're known for watching livestock, so they fight wolves and bears. The bite force goes up to about between 550 and 700 on this breed.
Oh, so he's fucking me up.
He's taking us both out.
Okay.
They, I believe a lion's bite force goes up to 650. So they're slightly stronger than a lion's bite force.
God damn.
Not him, but his breed, right?
Yeah.
And what else can I tell you? They work in some Russian prisons, transporting prisoners. So if someone tries to make a break for it, these take them down.
What's the maintenance like on these?
He's not really high maintenance, believe it or not. It's more, I have to be super receptive to how he acts, how he looks at people, if he's into them.
Yeah.
Like any other dog, he'll mount.
Yeah.
Or like last month, he started becoming a little bit of a jerk. So I always see if he's looking at something behind you, so I have to see what he was looking at.
Yeah.
Because he could just leap out of nowhere.
I bet if he mounts some, this is like way heavier than
No,
most,
I usually got to go around the person and pry his paws open because they're like almost 6 or 7 inches. They're long.
You know what's crazy? I got a dog in Florida. His name is Teddy too.
Okay, yeah, I think the vet told me that it's one of the most popular names. Teddy.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna lie. He eat Teddy up in 2 seconds. I'm not. Teddy is like probably like this big.
Yeah. He's a sweetheart 99% of the time. It's that 1%. I always got to watch him like a drunk friend. I got to watch his mannerisms, his face. 3.
Shit, how old did they get?
I believe lifespan is around 10 to 12 years.
Shit.
He was born in Russia, so his ears were taken out before he got to the States because obviously you don't know if he's going to be a guardian dog up there, you know what I mean?
Could I hold his paw?
Yeah, grab it. He's chill with you. He wants you to pet him. That's why he put his paw on you.
I don't know. Can you show him the glow in the dark?
Oh, that's just to warn people he's coming.
Yeah, but that's sick though.
It's a reflective vest
Show the hair.
and everything.
So I can pick it up, right? Just a little
Put
bit.
your head next to his to show the size.
Oh my God.
Okay, man.
It's good, Teddy. It's good, bro.
Boom.
Oh my God. Yo, yeah, look at this, yo. His hand is
massive.
the same size as mine. God damn, it's a tiger, leopard, lion all in one, bro. Shit. You can't have no guns in New York, but shit, he got this.
I read something saying that having this is like having a gun. You just got to be super responsible with him. That's why I tie him to me. He's connected. I got the high visibility vest with that glows. And I also have another collar. These are 2 extra larges that are connected because his width of his neck is so large.
Damn, you got this joint tethered like a semi
I don't
truck.
trust him, brother. I love him enough to know not to trust him because he has so much potential to, And if another dog barks at him, it's cute. When he barks, it's intimidating. So,
Really?
I gotta be really, really
Yeah.
responsible, or at least try my best. Like this dog coming right by. You wanna hold this? Because he might get a little
Yeah, I got you.
excited. That's ways to start training.
Let's show him the vest. Y'all see this? He got like lights on the
Started
vest.
training like 2 weeks ago because he started becoming a little too macho.
Huh.
And how some dogs start getting tough.
Yeah.
He started getting tough, so that's why he's in training.
Does he drool a lot?
Oh, no, stop. Fur and drill. Hey, let me put you on.
What I tell y'all? She ain't see Judy Cross ain't see the dog I just saw. The dog I just showed y'all, bro. I'm about to show you. I'm about to show you what the dog looked like once I get in the car. Yo, his paw was the same size as my hand. Watch, I'm gonna show her the footage, y'all. Hold up. Yeah, I probably ran like 3 laps. Y'all saw the screenshots at the time. It was like 6 minutes, 7 minutes, and then I don't know, some other shit, maybe another 6 minutes. But on the 4th lap, you ain't see no screenshot for the 4th lap, because on the 4th lap, halfway through, that's when I told y'all I'm gonna see the canine again. I'm gonna show y'all. I don't want y'all to think I'm slacking, because I know some of y'all like to say I'm fake running. Ain't that right, Judy Cross? Ain't that right? Yeah, she
sure.
like to say I don't be running.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, well, go ahead. Tell them what you be saying.
But now I believe you, because I started keeping an eye, watch you go around, and I know you are doing the 3-4 circles that you say. Yeah, definitely. I believe you.
Yo, yeah, she be underplaying my shits. I be like, yeah, I'm running 6 minute 4 laps. She's like, yeah. Remember, yeah, in the last clip, she was like, oh yeah, he just does a lot of running around in the park. You making me look mad stupid, bro.
You don't have.
I'm sorry, yeah. She keep putting that joint on 0.5. I don't know what she wants y'all to see.
You don't have to feel stupid. You're doing it.
Okay, well, how would you like, instead of me saying, yes, my mom is making sure she runs 10,000 steps a day, instead I say, yeah, my mom comes to the park every day to prance around in the grass until she somehow reaches 10,000 steps. Which one sound better?
Second one sounds better. Yeah, it's
Oh,
more
yeah?
like it. Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah? All right, bet. Yeah.
I prance around on the.
Yeah, okay, all right. I'm going to show her the clip, and I'm going to show y'all her reaction. Mama, what you thought about the dog? I don't see him.
Cute, amazing, gorgeous little baby.
Nah, where did my mother? Y'all saw how big his paw. Y'all just look at my hand against her face. My hand is not like the tiniest thing in the world.
You can use the same size.
Oh yeah, I got you. Nah, but you feel me? Yeah. Nah, you know if that dog were to mount you, he would literally be taller than you. You know he's taller than you, me, Kevin, Banu. You know that, right?
He said about 5 something.
He said he's 5'11". A dog is damn near 6 feet tall.
I missed it. I like big dogs.
Yeah, you would have had so much fun. You would have had so much fun. I was like, yo, that dog would take me down he would fold me so fast. Bro, we vlogging, bro. Why you have this Ed Sheeran going on?
I thought you wanted to do a duet.
Jogging every morning, and she make me breakfast almost every morning. And she take a nigga pic before she leave the door. I be waking up to pics before I be on it. And every weekend my shorty coming over.
shake it. She like the way I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that I woo. And she let it clap for a nigga. She let it clap for a nigga. And she throw it back for a nigga. Yeah, she throw it back for a nigga. Like a man, like a man. She said, bro, hold on. That's all my element. I like those skins. Love a melanin. Hard pushing nigga tongue. When I'm stepping in. 30 bottles of the zoo till I'm sentiment. I have the Lambo. Switch to the Rari. I'm a gangster. But I like to party. Pop a perky. Go retarded. I'm a Brooklyn nigga. I'm cold-hearted. That's why I like the back end. Like Riri.
After working out today, my legs hurt.
I bet we look black as shit to y'all. It's dark as hell.
Don't watch yourself.
Well, myself. Yeah, you're right. You translucent. You like.